Hello student. Today we will discuss about the 3 points. First one, numericals on oxidation number. Second one, stock notation. Third, redox reaction in terms of oxidation number. Then we'll discuss one by one. First one, the oxidation number. Previous lecture we have seen the redox reaction in terms of electron transfer and oxidation number. Then in that oxidation number, we'll solving the some numericals. First numerical, deduce the oxidation number of sulfur in the following. First one, the one is the SO2 molecule. How to determine the oxidation number of sulfur in SO2. Now solution, you know that the SO2 is a neutral molecule. Therefore, that contains the sulfur and the oxygen. Then how to determine the oxidation number? You know, previous lecture we have seen the rules assigned to determine the oxidation number. A rule is that the sum of the oxidation number or algebraic sum of oxidation number of all atoms in a neutral molecule is a 0, and apply this rule and calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfur dioxide. Therefore, the using that rule, sum of oxidation number of all atoms of SO2 equal to 0. Therefore, oxidation number of sulfur plus 2 into 2, that means number of oxygen is the 2. Therefore, 2 multiply by oxidation number of O equal to 0, because that is the rule. Therefore, S plus 2 into minus 2 is the charge of the oxygen. Minus 2 equal to 0. S plus minus 4, 2 into minus 2, that is a minus 4 equal to 0. Then S equal to plus 4. Therefore, oxidation number of sulfur in SO2 is plus 2, and that is our the plus 4, and that is our the answer. Second, that is the sulfate ions. If you calculate the oxidation number in an ionic species, sulfate is the ionic species. To determine the sulfur in SO4 minus 2. Solution, sulfate ions is a molecule, ionic molecule or ionic species. Therefore, the according to that rule assignment of oxidation number, rule is that the algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a polyatomic ion is equal to net charge of the ion, and that is the rule to assign the oxidation number, and use that rule or apply this rule in this numerical. Therefore, the sum of oxidation number of the atoms of sulfate ion species equal to -2. Therefore, the oxidation number of sulfur plus 4 into oxidation number of O equal to -2. S plus 4 into -2, -2, that is a valency or the -2 charge equal to -2. S plus -8 equal to -2. Therefore, the S equal to -2 plus 8, which become the +6. And therefore, the oxidation number of sulfur in a ionic species, that is the sulfate ion, is +6. That is our answer. Then a third numerical or problem, calculate of oxidation number of nitrogen in ammonia molecule. Means we have to determine the oxidation number of nitrogen. You know, the according to that rule, the ammonia is the neutral molecule, and therefore its oxidation number equal to 0, because according to that rule. Therefore, oxidation number of nitrogen plus 3 into oxidation number of hydrogen equal to 0. And we know that the oxidation number of hydrogen is equal to the 1. Put the value. Therefore, the N plus 3 into 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the N equal to, that is the -3, and -3 is the oxidation number of nitrogen in NH3, and that is our answer. One more problem, that is the fourth one, calculate the oxidation number of same means nitrogen in NO3 ions, that is a ionic species. Then solution is that, according to that rule, the net charge on this NO3 ions is -1. Therefore, NO3 -1 equal to -1, that is a charge, net charge of molecule. Therefore, the N plus 3 into -2 equal to -1. And -2 is the charge of this oxygen. That's why I put that value -2, means N plus 3 into -2 equal to -1. N minus 6 equal to -1, and therefore the oxidation number of nitrogen equal to +5, and that is our answer. That is our oxidation number or state of nitrogen in NO3 ions. Then last numerical, that is your homework, but how to calculate the oxidation number of element. Determine the following elements oxidation number of S in a molecule of H2SO4. That is another method or same method, but that is a different writing, that method, solution of method. Oxidation number of hydrogen equal to +1. Oxidation number of the oxygen oxidation number of hydrogen is equal to +1 and oxidation number of oxygen is equal to -2. And we have to calculate the oxidation number of S, that means sulfur, in H2SO4. Now, that is one formula. Summation of oxidation number of element in molecule is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1 into oxidation number of sulfur plus 4 into oxidation number of oxygen equal to 0. And put the values, the charge of hydrogen, charge of sulfur, charge of oxygen, and calculate the oxidation number of S. Therefore, the oxidation number of S equal to the +6, and that is your the answer, means oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4. These are the numericals. Then second point, the stock notation. Stock notation means what? The stock notation is the notation used where the oxidation state of the element is represented by the Roman numerals. The stock notation is used to specify the oxidation number of metals. Means we have to specify the oxidation number of metals. Now, for example, the SnCl4 molecule and the SnCl2 molecules. Now, that contain the Sn and the Cl. Now, first one, SnCl4. In SnCl4, that contain the two elements. One is the Sn and second is the Cl. First, we are knowing the charge of Sn equal to +4 and Cl is equal to -1. And therefore, if you knowing the charge of Sn and the Cl, hence the stock notation is Sn in bracket fourth, that is in Roman numerals, Sn4 Cl4. It means only you should write the Roman in metals only. Sn4 Cl4. Then a second example, SnCl2. Same procedure. The charge of the Sn equal to +2, charge of the Cl is equal to -1, and hence the stock notation is Sn in bracket Roman 2 Cl2. Then another one, some more examples, that is in a tabular form, chemical formula and the stock notation. FeO, the stock notation is the Fe second O. Fe2O3, stock notation is the Fe third O. CuO, that is a chemical formula, then stock notation is the Cu second O. Cu2O, stock notation is the Cu first O. Now, this is about the stock notation. Then last and third point is the redox reactions in terms of the oxidation number. Now, how we can define the oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, and reducing agent as follows. In redox reactions. Now, first, oxidation means what? Oxidation is an increase in the oxidation number of an element and the loss of electron. For example, the iron Fe, that is in solid form, that gives the Fe2 plus ions, means loss of electron. Then a reduction is the decrease in oxidation number of element. Example is that copper 2 plus, that gives the copper sulfate. In this reduction, the gain of electron. Then another one, copper 2 plus, that gives the copper solid. Then third, next one, oxidizing agent, a substance which increase the oxidation number of an element in a given substance, and itself undergoes decrease in oxidation number of a constituent element. Then reducing agent. Reducing agent is a substance which decrease the oxidation number of an element in a given substance, and itself undergoes in a increase in the oxidation number a constituent element in it. Now, these are the 3 points we'll already explain, and next point we'll discuss the next lecture. Thank you.